Now, good day everyone. Now, I want to start training you on how to set up your profile on Fiverr perfectly. So, I want to use this account for example. Now, before you can set up your profile, you must know the niche you want to work on concerning the profile, the service you want to render, maybe marketing, content writing, Shopify store design, website design, app design, or game app. So now, this account is based on marketing because it's for one of newbie in the business. So we start from marketing as long as you don't have any experience on any online service. So now the first thing you need to do is that you go for the marketing platform. 10 best marketing platform. You search for that marketing platform or marketing system. Then you open best-spiner.com just to proofread and edit the content. Then you need Canva for the design of your image, but you don't need to design any image here. You check this one in the gig creation. So I've already done that video, but we are starting from profile setup. So this is it. This is 10 online marketing, Saturn and marketing. So you look for another one, 15 marketing software system for small business. 10 of the best marketing technique for 2019 HubSpot. So let's just click on this and click on this. Then we select from there. Now, 10 of the best content marketing platform. This is content marketing. You need content marketing. You need a complete marketing system. But this as well, I think this HubSpot as well can show us, because these are the features: blogging, CMS, social media, and so on, landing page. So you click on it. This is the link. Then let's check the second one and pick another one. So here, HubSpot marketing, we have already opened this. Then ranking, active campaign, high contact pro, Wishpond, post marketing, Aweber, and so on. So let's use this, improve. Let's open this in new tab and let's open this as well. Active campaign. So we are selecting the two. Visit the website. Active campaign. If you want to visit the website, you click on here. So then the second one, accept. This is the HubSpot, and this is Improvely. That is the third platform you are going to use to edit our profile. So now let's first check the active campaign. So it won't take us to the dashboard. So now this is active campaign platform for email marketing, then the HubSpot for email marketing, then the Improvely for email marketing. So you just want to read some content of the front page of the website. So to find out the unique content we're going to use for our profile. So any service you are doing, just search for the platform. And after searching for the platform, you can read every damn thing on their homepage, just like Shopify now. For a Shopify store design, there's Shopify.com. For a Shopify store design or marketing, just go to Shopify homepage. So here, you will read everything and have an idea on how to create a gig or profile on Shopify. So that is the best unique strategy to use when you are creating a profile. You are setting up a profile for a niche. Or you are creating a gig based on some niche. So you search for the niche platform. Then you read everything. Make sure you read and understand. So let's go back to it. Now, only customer and experience automation. Turn leads into customer, into repeat customer. Active campaign give you the email marketing, automation, and CRM. Then here from leads to repeat customer. What's happened in between? The customer journey from learning about your business to making a purchase is almost never linear. With customer and experience CX automation, we can connect the dots to make their experience simple. So because I don't want this video to be too much, make sure you read everything. We are gonna stop now. So you read everything and understand it, both the three platforms. So you must make sure you open three so that you can understand everything very well. Now, this is the content I pile up and I've been trying to editing it. So you won't be able to use all this content, but I will still delete some and add some content. So let's start. Good day everyone, checking my profile. My name is Femi. I'm one of successful marketer with 3 years of experience in dealing with different tasks in marketing field. I'm here to show the way I need to change everything because I like to start my writing with capital letter. I'm here to show the real people using your site or buying your products or taking any action you want from them. With an active, let me change the start, an active one from them with an active and conversion marketing workflow system. Automatically created for each visitors. I think you are getting it. So you find more of them. You spend a lot of time researching on how business can actually reach out to their targeted customer. The solution The real customers, the real customer was to create an insane marketing system like conversion sales funnel. Conversion sales funnel. Google has Google Shopping, new email marketing, best ranking SEO, best ranking SEO, social media marketing to build a solid business brand. Build a solid business brand. This is what I've been doing for my existing customers, which definitely bring results. And if you want to reach customers, you can check my gig. To select the service you preferred. Kind regards. That is how you need to edit the content you want to use in your profile. But if you are looking at this content, it will be too long, so we need to reduce the content number. So let's read it first. Good day everyone checking my profile. My name is Femi. I'm one of successful marketer. With 3 years of experience in dealing with different tasks in marketing field. I'm here to show the real people using your site or buying your product or taking any action you want from them with an active and conversion marketing workflow system automatically created for each visitor. Get to know your most valuable customer so you can find more of them. I spend a lot of time researching on how business can actually reach out to their targeted customer. The solution to the real customer was to create an insane marketing system like conversion sales for Google as Google Shopping, new email marketing, best ranking SEO, social media marketing to build a solid business brand. This is what I've been doing. This is what I have been doing for my existing customer, which definitely bring results. And if you want a real customer, you can check my gig to select the services you prefer. And regard. Everything is unique. So let's copy this and paste it first. So if you want to check it in Spinner again, you copy the content and you paste it there, Spinner. So you